Hey everyone, welcome to Autology Gigs. So if you are new to video editing, there is a common issue you will face if you are using the software DaVinci Resolve to edit your videos. So if you import a video file, for example, here is a video file that I just recorded from my iPhone, and now it shows that the media is on offline. So as you can see that the
Maybe as a
audio is
student we
right
might
here,
face
but the
difficult
video is not
internet
able to
as
load.
back
Due to some encoding issues, this will not load in
sometimes
your free DaVinci Resolve software. So how do you get this done? So there is a software from Microsoft on the store that you can use to solve this issue, but that is a paid software. So if you are a new content creator who might not have a budget to invest in the softwares, let's see a new method. You can simply open a browser and search for the software HandBrake. Now HandBrake is a free open source video transcoder software, so you can go to downloads and get this software for your Mac, Windows, Linux, or any other operating system you are using for. Once done, something like this will open up once you install the software. You can drag and drop your video over there, and your video will be here. So you can see that the presets and everything is given to you. So you can convert this video to a lower resolution video, maybe update the frame rates and everything. So you can simply go over here in the video section, and if you want the full quality, if you are running on a small project or something, you can go all the way to placebo quality, and you can still change the frame rates and everything. So what happens here in the frame rate section, sometimes when you record a video on your phone, uh, the phone will fluctuate the video FPS. So maybe the phone is running on 29.97, sometimes then goes 24, 24, 25, 30, and something like that will happen. So once you go into the video editing software, you will face an issue that your audio and video will not sync. So you can also use this software for that. You can sync that software with a same frame rate, and then just select where you want that video to come and start encode. It will take a few seconds or maybe minutes depending on the system configuration you are having, and your video will be ready. Okay, so HandBrake did its job. Now let's import the output video. Let's go to videos, and here is my file. Let's import this file here. Let's check it out. So this is the same video. It showed media offline error over here. Still the audio was working. Now that's the same video, and you can see that now it's working perfectly fine.
better background. Maybe
So
they have
even the audio is there, the video is there, and I will be able to edit this video and make an export. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Do follow our channel and subscribe our channel to get more tutorial videos like this based on your editing, technology, and automobiles. See you.